Hello everyone. Today we learn some words start with letter D. Word is dazzling, means extremely bright and impressive. For example, the woman looked dazzling in her sparkling gown as fireworks light up the night sky. Next word is diligent, means hardworking and careful. For example, a diligent student reviewed her notes every night, one step closer to success. A word is desolate, means empty, lonely, and abandoned. For example, the desert and empty village create a desolate landscape that felt forgotten by time. Next word is devious, means clever in a dishonest way. For example, the devious fox quietly sneaked into the chicken coop under the moonlight. A word is dreary, means dull, gloomy, and depressing. For example, the rainy city street looked dreary under the grey skies and empty sidewalks. Next word is dubious, means doubtful or uncertain. For example, staring at the mysterious treasure map, the man felt dubious about its authenticity. Next word is dapper, means neat and stylish in appearance. For example, a gentleman looked dapper as he walked confidently through the city street in a tailored suit. Next word is dense, means thick and closely packed. For example, a dense forest where sunlight barely reached the ground. Next word is defined, means fearlessly resisting authority. For example, with a defined spirit, the young girl faced the towering waves without fear. Next word is discreet, means careful not to attract attention. For example, the two people discreetly exchanging a secret envelope in a quiet cafe. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more words.